If I told you I had a reason to be out here today, it'd be a complete lie. I don't have a reason to be out here today. I just wanted to have fun with an RC car. We're gonna see if we can get some cool shots with the drone as well. Gonna let that thing fly a little bit. Drop it low. I have no real reason to be out here, but just to have some fun. Ooh. That's it. Haven't been able to really rip anything in a while. Oh my gosh. So that's what I wanted to do. You can't get another one. Oh, I just wanted to come out here and have a little fun, man. I don't think anybody does that anymore. I think every time you go on a video for YouTube, it's always some sort of agenda, promoting a new car or something. I think more of these guys should just come out here and rip some of their cars. Not always a new one. I think it would be cool if people came out with some of the older cars and did videos on those instead of just the new ones all the time. Not saying this is an old car. Hey man, but this is still a fun car. Not exactly why. That's sure why that shut off on me, but I didn't charge this battery for very long anyways to get out here, so I should be about done anyway. Yeah, I think this thing is done. I think the battery's done. All right, that was fun. So like I said, guys, really no purpose to the video. Just out here to have some fun today. Rip this thing around, get out the house, get away from my computer for a little bit, take a break during the day, and have a little fun, guys. So that was it. No other purpose to this video but that. So if you guys like this video and you want to see more stuff like this, go ahead and give me a comment down below. Give me a like and a subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.